Hello children, welcome back. This time I have come with a very special video which will explain to you the Art Integrated Learning Project introduced by CBSE. So here I will explain a topic and all the details how you can integrate all the subjects into one project. The topic which we have selected for this particular video is, the topic is COVID-19. You should have more knowledge about this, and therefore the selection of this topic COVID-19 will be perfect for you all. I will now explain that how we can integrate various subjects into one topic. Taking one subject at a time, let's move on into this. First, we will begin with English. Though in any integrated project, what you write, the grammatical ways you are using makes the English project complete, but here in this particular project, you are going to write a slogan. Okay, this can be calligraphy used because it is art integrated project. So you are going to write a slogan on COVID-19 and try to keep your slogan positive. It should be a positive slogan motivating the people to keep safe from this particular disease COVID-19. So this slogan, you can use calligraphy also over here. You can use an artistic hand and write nicely a slogan on a full sheet about this in English. So this is the first subject integrated into our topic. Then we come to the next language, Hindi. For this also, you will write a slogan in Hindi, again a positive slogan. You can make your own slogans. This will be very innovative also, and see what good things you can come out with. So again, you will write a slogan, slightly big hand, not one line on the page. You will try to fill the whole page with your slogan, means you are going to write big alphabets in a designer manner. Slogan on COVID-19 again, and again a suggestion, keep your slogan positive. So two subjects have been integrated into this. Now the third subject which we can take over here, we are coming to SST. In SST, you will write about the history of this disease COVID-19. The history means from where did it originate, when did it originate, who predicted it first, from the place of origin, how did it travel, what are the measures being taken, which countries are badly hit, and what all more you can think of. This can be taken in 10 to 12 points. So this will cover your social studies. Three subjects already integrated into one project. Now we come to the next subject. Let's have science. For science, again we have to revolve around this topic. So what you are going to do for science, first of all you are going to find out what type of medicines are currently being used for the treatment of COVID-19. You will list all the medicines and their effects. So the probable medicines being used 4 or 5, whatever you can find out, and their effects. Are they effective? Are they preventive? Like that. And the second thing to your science project, you will study about any two research works. You will find out about any two research works going on in the field of medicine to bring a cure for this particular disease. It can be in India, it can be internationally, anywhere. Details of any two research works going on currently for this particular disease. So you see how nicely all the subjects are being integrated into one topic. Then we move on to maths. For maths, we will be drawing bar graph. Okay, bar graph, and to draw the bar graph, you will have to collect information. Now, what information has to be collected? You have to collect the information of the total positive cases. Okay. Total recovered cases. And the deceased cases each day from 1st June to 15th June, each day of any one state, not of the world, not of the entire country, of any one state. The states which we have selected, which we are going to take, will be, I am mentioning the states here, will be our own state, Uttar Pradesh. Then we have Arunachal Pradesh. Alright, Arunachal Pradesh. And the third one which we are going to take will be Meghalaya. So I think I need to clear this a bit. Let this go because this is already clear to you. So English and Hindi part I am erasing to make things more clear to you, and this also I will write on the top clearly. Okay. So in continuation with, you have to collect details of the positive cases, the recovered cases and the deceased cases each day starting from the 1st June to the 15th of June 2020. And the states which we have taken is number 1 Uttar Pradesh, then Arunachal Pradesh, and the third state will be Meghalaya. So each day you will collect these three informations along with the date, like 1st June, positive cases in Uttar Pradesh, recovered cases in Uttar Pradesh, and then the deceased cases. 15 days you will collect this data and then you will prepare a bar graph for this. This will include mathematics in this single project. And finally, how are we going to include art in this is that you are going to draw on a drawing sheet one actual and two cartoon figures of coronavirus. Okay? One actual figure of coronavirus and two cartoon figures of coronavirus on a single sheet of drawing paper. All the subjects will be included in this. So this is a project of the hottest topic at the moment. This will give you a lot of information also. And here in this you can also mention ways to protect ourselves, which can be in the form of slogans, as I have already told you. You start preparing for this project in a very short while, we will be having a live session where we will explain who has to do what and how it is to be done. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thanks.